Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you live from Wyoming today. We are at a sugar processing plant, which has been around since 1912 and had some really unique issues with their compressed air system, primarily that the pH levels inside the building with the different processes are so high that they've been actually eating through stainless steel and regular steel and concrete and of course the air compressor, so nothing was lasting. We had proposed a engineered solution with a custom cabinet here. You see the enclosure, so we've actually put the compressor system into this enclosure. This is the back side of it with the access doors that you can see here. That's how we get the compressors in and out, but pretty straightforward. The customer poured this pad a couple of days ago, and compressor came in on time. Electrical panel was ready to go for the electrician, who basically came from that pole to that panel. Easy as that. So it's truly a plug-and-play solution. Let's go inside and have a look. So we've got two man doors on this system. As I pan around, just kind of give you a quick overview first. You can see our louvers, and there's our Sigma Air Manager. But we'll start from this side. Here's our power coming in, 480 volts, three-phase. We have a step-down transformer, which gives us a lower voltage, 240 volt, 120 volt, to supply power to our different devices that require lower voltage. We've got a 400-gallon tank, and this solution is a split solution. When we initially looked at an audit that was conducted a couple of years ago by a different manufacturer, the recommendation was 2 large machines and a tank. So we come up with a split solution. We basically provided a SFC 45S, a 60 horsepower variable speed, and 3 ASD 40S's, fixed speed machines, of course, all being controlled by our Sigma Air Manager. If we go down a little deeper into the container, you can see that all of these have the heat rejection option. So all the heat is being captured and rejected outside, and we've got automated louvers to help us keep some of that heat during the colder months, because it does get pretty cold out here. So there's the last one. There's your controller up there. You can see you got lighting all throughout. All the conduits already been run. Walls are insulated. In this case, for the air treatment, we've got a KBD 600, of course, with a pre-filter and after filter. And back here, I'll give you a peek at the condensation management system, KCF 200 manifold. Up, and there's your exhaust fan that you can see running up there. It's a pretty warm day, so it's been running for a while. They have a unique situation here at this plant. And they have what's called campaign and off campaign. During the campaign, they'll probably have most of these machines running, but during off campaign, we're mainly doing maintenance here and some packaging. No need to fire up the larger compressor. So an SK20 was brought in with its own desiccant dryer, not connected to the SAM, so they just run that as needed basically. And it's got its own ventilation there. Here's our other man door. Obviously it gets pretty cold out here during the winter, so you've got heaters all throughout. There's 3 of them that are proportionally spaced. You can see our inlet louvers here. It does get pretty dusty out here. We're about to, one of the last things we need to do is just put in some HVAC panels here, some filter media, probably like a MERV 5 or MERV 8 panels that you can pretty much get anywhere at HVAC store or Home Depot or something like that. But you can see the floor, a lot of attention to detail. You've got a reinforced structural base with the diamond plate deck, a Chemflash metal primer, and a urethane enamel. As I said earlier, the walls and the roof are insulated. There's a 2-inch thermoacoustic insulation behind these here walls. You got the doors that are fitted with overhang rain gutters, which is a really nice feature. But all in all, a fantastic build. You got a customer that's really happy, and a sales team that is very proud of our systems engineering group for a job very well done. Great build. Thanks for watching.